Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lava. If you're new to the channel, my name is Vermouth and I post videos on cocktail recipes and alcohol content. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do easy aperitif cocktails that you can do before you have your meal, an appetizer before you have a meal. So without any further ado, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an Americano. Well, it's not a coffee, it's a cocktail, aperitif or appetizer cocktail. So this cocktail is based with sweet vermouth, Campari and soda. The Americano is a gentle introduction to a unique and a bitter taste of a Campari. It is a fascinating drink with a long, rich history. This is an iconic cocktail with a delightful and aperitif that you can enjoy before any meal. The cocktail itself is extremely simple, equal part of the sweet vermouth and the Campari, and poured over the ice with and topped up with soda. So let's get started. Take your rock glass. If you don't have any other glass, you could use it. If you don't have a rock glass, you could use any glass at home. So fill your glass with ice. Add about, I would say, equal parts. That will be at about 30 ml of your Campari. There you go. And add about 30 ml of your sweet vermouth. That would be a Martini Rosso. There you go. And top it up with soda. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's fizzy, guys. Look at that. Looks amazing. So to complete your drink, just use an orange slice or whatever, whichever one you have at home. I think I'll just go with the orange slice and just put it in the glass. And cheers. That's your Americano, guys. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, drop me a comment below, let me know what you want to see in the next video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.